Sagging fences between posts can totally ruin your curb appeal and mess with your home's security, but fixing that fence sag is easier than you think if you know your options. So, first up, if your fence is sagging in the middle, it usually means those posts are spaced too far apart or they're just not strong enough. One super simple move is to install extra support posts right where it's drooping. Just dig a hole, set a pressure-treated post in concrete, and boom, instant stability. Another thing a lot of people forget? Add some horizontal bracing, like a 2x4 or a metal bracket between the posts, to keep the boards from bowing. Make sure your hardware is tight. Sometimes all it takes is tightening screws or swapping out rusted nails for new ones, so the boards stay put. If your wood is warped or rotted, just swap it out for a fresh plank. Seriously makes a huge difference. Double check that your posts are actually set deep enough, like at least 2 feet down in the ground with concrete, because shallow posts are just asking for trouble. If you've got a long run of fence, stagger those extra supports every 6 to 8 feet so everything's evenly reinforced. And don't forget to seal and stain the wood to protect against weather. Water damage is the worst for saggy fences. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with sagging fences is ignoring loose or wobbly posts, which pretty much guarantees the problem will get worse. Instead, always reset or replace weak posts with fresh concrete. Another common issue is skipping horizontal bracing between posts on long stretches, which leaves the boards unsupported and sagging. Throw in a solid 2x4 as a brace, and you'll see a difference right away. The third mistake is using cheap or rusted fasteners that can snap or loosen over time. Always go for galvanized screws or brackets for outdoor use so your repair actually lasts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find top-rated local contractors who know all about fixing sagging fences and can get repairs done fast and right. If you're a contractor looking for more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for trusted pros to connect with local homeowners who need quality work.